Hey guys, this is Shelby and this is Maddie Summer. Today I'm just going to do a quick video because I finally got YouTube to upload on my very own phone. Okay, so today I just want to take a little video of the sun and our beautiful tree. We named it Serenity. Hi Serenity. Hi beautiful sun. Hi nature. And this is my backyard. Trampoline, swing set, that don't even work, grill, sunroom, grass field, I guess, and tree, Shelby garden, bees, home. Okay, so yeah, that's a quick video of nature. And Wapsie.
Don't show YouTube.
What? Hold on, guys. Ew, look at that tongue.
Stop.
Okay.
What the heck?
Oh yeah, that's how you settle it.
Oh, look mine.
Hey, you got it.
That's a good camera.
Huh?
Okay, stop now. Don't magic.
Look how that focuses.
Bishop, come on.
Okay,
Well,
guys.
I think it focus good. It's just some Con Air stuff.
Hold on, guys.
Shoot, man.
Dang it! Okay, guys. Love y'all. Please comment, subscribe, and
Take it off, Dak.